What is going on, guys? Liza over here at Pondering Creations Farm. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to show you guys around and show you what's been growing and let you know what we've been up to and some changes that we've made here at the farm. So let's get going. We got to do this a little bit quickly because it's going to be raining and I have a lot to show you. It's going to rain, buddy. So we are going to start the farm tour at the front of the house with the old farmhouse. It is from the 1800s and it's addition upon addition, and it is a beautiful work in progress. But in the summer we try to focus on the outside of the house and the gardens. And we do work in edibles up here with some beans and some fruit trees. So let's get started with the tour. All right, so the first thing I really wanted to show you guys was my beauty berry. It's starting to blush. And last year we made syrup, and this year I think we're gonna do a jelly. Here is our dwarf peach tree. Those don't usually even make it in the house. And let's head to the backyard. No farmhouse is complete without the farm shop, so we have a nice gift shop and I will show you the inside in another video. Okay guys, welcome to the pond. We've got a couple new things going on. Couch is one of them. We've got a pandemic pool over there. We got to get these fish fed before it rains, so let's do that. But we have a new swing, as you can see over here, and we did the island, totally redid it. New patio with some creeping Jenny and a new little meditation area. So let's feed these guys, and we have some other fish to feed and animals to check on before the rain. So we gotta be quick. So we have what we call the fruit garden, which is where we need to do some picking. And then I have the sheep that go wrap all the way around, the chicken coop, the goats. Then we have our aquatic greenhouse and the garden, which we did a lot of amendments to. So it is exploding with goodness. I'm actually going to link the last garden tour at the end of this video, and you can see the difference that a month makes. It is absolutely crazy. These sunflowers are out of control. I got zinnia popping. The pumpkin is out of control. So yeah, definitely check out my last garden tour, and I'm gonna do another one for this month, but probably later in the month. By the way, we got our first tomato the other day, guys. It's time to free range the chickens. We do this every day after they've laid all their eggs. And we also give the goats their alfalfa pellets at this time. So let's get some chores done. What's up, buddy? These are the chicks that just hatched, and they're getting big already, and I moved them to the coop and they're fitting in great. Look who's next. Hi. What is up? That sky is starting to open up, and look, we still have peas to pick. What is up, guys? Delicious and darling. Luckily we can come in here when it rains and feed the fish. Last but not least, the messy meat birds. Guys, we have a new animal coming to the farm next week. We've never had it before.
Try to take a guess what it is and leave it in the comments.
So guys, no farm tour is complete without seeing the farm dog and the stove. You guys actually remember we redid our kitchen, and it is so nice to be able to prepare food in here that we have been doing so much more of our own food preparation and really getting some food independence. I was gonna go over a couple of things just so you can see how the garden really translates a little bit into our kitchen. So I am a tea junkie and I love my herbs from the garden. They taste so much better when you grow them yourself and just dry them, whether you just hang them up or actually put them in the dehydrator. Either way, they're absolutely delicious. Here's some nasturtium and some more borage. So thanks for joining us for our farm tour today, and thanks for coming into the pantry and seeing how we're starting to really gain some of our food independence. Coming up next, we have another homestead video and then something from our landscape series. So stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. We'll see you on the next one.